Hey guys, welcome back to Stir the Pot. Today we're going to be making a very easy chicken pie. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It will help us to bring more content and hit the YouTube algorithms. So, what you see here on the table is all of the ingredients that we're going to be using for this chicken pie. As you can see, it is very simple. So, we're going to start out with a 9 by 13 baking dish, and we are going to spray it with a nonstick spray. Make your cleanup very easy. Now, I have cooked 4 chicken breasts. So we're going to take the chicken breast and we're going to layer that or cover the bottom with it. It's not actually a layer. You can use roasted chicken that you get at your grocery, or you can just boil 4 chicken breasts as I did here. When I boiled the chicken breast, I did put salt and pepper, and I added to mine a little bit of celery and carrots. And that would be whether you wanted to do that or not, if you want to just be super simple with it. But I wanted to have some of the chicken broth left over, and I wanted it to be flavored to use in other recipes later. So this chicken pie recipe, let me tell you a little bit about it. Me and Ron were at my sister's house, and she was fixing dinner for us, and she had chicken pie, which was this recipe. This is my sister's chicken pie recipe. And Ron doesn't even like chicken pie. So he was a little hesitant, but he didn't say anything. He's definitely not going to hurt anybody's feelings, especially being there as company. And he sat down at the table and he decided he did like chicken pie. He had 2 helpings of it, and he has asked me to prepare it for him. And now I'm preparing it for you guys. So after you get all of your chicken in here, I have a little bit of chicken broth in here. I cooked this chicken yesterday, and I just wanted to put a little bit of broth in here just to make sure that it didn't get dry as it was sitting in the refrigerator overnight. So that's our chicken. You could even do this with chicken thighs if you wanted to. That would give it more flavor as well. So now I'm going to flavor this or put a little bit of seasoning on it. I'm going to just give it a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And then we're going to mix up what's going to be the gravy over this chicken pie. So what I have here is 2 cups of chicken broth. You can use the cartoned chicken broth or the canned chicken broth, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And we'll just mix this up together. Did y'all hear Miss Zena? It's time for her to get fed, so she's in here asking for food. So just mix this up together. We're going to pour this right over our chicken. You see how simple this recipe is. You can make this through the week. You can even make this ahead of time and put it in your refrigerator. So if you did that, you would stop right here and put this in your refrigerator and cover it. You wouldn't want to mix the dough topping and put it on the night before, because then you would lose some of it would get too soggy. You wouldn't get the same consistency out of it. So what I have here is 2 cups of Bisquick. I'm going to mix that with 2 cups of milk. We have 2% here. You could use whole milk or skim milk. put some flavoring in your dough if you wanted to. If you wanted to put a little bit of thyme or rosemary or even oregano. I think oregano would be good in there. So this is a chicken pie for people who don't like chicken pies, and one for you folks to cook that don't really like to cook because it is so easy. So I'm just making sure that I have all of that Bisquick stirred up in there very good. I'll be pouring this on top of my chicken pie. So here we go. Okay. So now I have this ready to go in the oven. I will be baking it at 350 for 1 hour. I'm going to put the pie on a cookie sheet. And the reason that I'm doing this is I hate spillage in my oven. I do like a clean oven and I do everything that I can to keep it that way. So we're going in. This is going in on the middle rack. Again, it's at 350. And we're going to set this for 1 hour. Okay, it's ready. She is heavy. Look at that beauty. Look at all the bubbly around it and the crust. Now, this is the real test. Of course, it looks gorgeous. It smells delicious. Oh, it's so hot. Mmm, perfect. Easy recipe. You guys have got to try this one. If you would, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple recipes. Until next time, stir the pot.